Do you want to buy a car from Dubai but you don't know what to do? So unlock your buying experience with New Auto. Just watch this video till the end and you will know every single detail about the process. My name is Oleg and I'll be assisting you today. Your journey with New Auto begins with discovering a car that suits your requirement. At New Auto, we present a wide range of cars and models, catering to a diverse range of preferences, whether you're looking for a sedan or an SUV. So we always get something that's just for you. You can connect us through multiple convenient channels, including our user-friendly website, or our mobile application, or WhatsApp for quick and easy communication, or you can use direct calls for personalized assistance and use our social media platforms to stay updated about the cars and prices. You can find the link to all our social media platforms and website in the description of the video. So getting in touch with us is very easy because we have a diverse team of sales experts that are fluent in more than 30 languages, so you will easily find a native speaker. In your journey with us, you will be assisted by one of our experienced sales executives who will steer you towards the perfect choice. They will gladly provide you with all the necessary information you need, such as price, specification, or actual pictures of the car. Upon finalizing your deal, our sales executive will guide you through all the payment methods that New Auto accepts. We offer multiple payment options to cater to your needs, and the first one is simple cash transaction. Or you can use a bank check or local transfer. And also we accept credit or debit card payment in our showroom. And another payment method is a letter of credit. You might be wondering how to make a transfer. The process is very straightforward. Our sales manager will generate an invoice pro forma for you based on the information provided. This pro forma invoice then can be used in the bank to make a transfer using different currencies such as dirhams or dollars. The documents required from you to issue the invoice pro forma are passport, ID, or a trade license for the companies. Next one is address. The third one is the final export destination. And then phone number and email ID. So once you transfer the money, you will receive a transfer copy from your correspondent bank. So please share the SWIFT copy with our sales executive who will proceed to assign a special VIN number for your car and make a reservation. So once we are done with the payment, we are ready to proceed with export documents including VCC, exit paper, and delivery note. So what are these documents? The first one, VCC, stands for Vehicle Clearance Certificate, which includes all the information about the car such as model, color, VIN number, year, and country of origin. The second one, exit paper. This is a special document that is stamped by Dubai Customs authorities at the port of exit to make sure that the car was exported. And the delivery note is the document confirming that the car was handed to the shipping company in flawless condition and with all the necessary documents for export. So once the documents are ready and pre-delivery inspection is done, we are ready to deliver the car to the shipping company. So once you receive the car, we will much appreciate your feedback about the experience with New Auto. Our dedicated sales executives are always available to guarantee satisfaction and enhance your experience.